Romy has arranged for me to meet a young woman called Amelia. When she was just 19, she was promised a job by a man she knew who lured her to the UK.
So, you're in Birmingham with this guy, and he's got you living with him. Was he having sex with you?
Da, o singură dată cu forța.
So he raped you?
Da.
So, you're forced to stay with this guy for 3 months, and he rapes you. What happened after that?
După care a zis că câștig prea puțin și că mi-a găsit un alt loc de muncă. Undeva ca prostituată, într-o saună bordel. A venit odată un client și prima zi când m-am dus acolo, n-am vrut să fac ce mi-au spus ei. Și am refuzat să mă duc și patronul de acolo m-a bătut.
Can you tell me how many men you were made to see in a day?
Cel puțin 7-8 bărbați.
How many girls were working there?
12. Toate erau românci.
And all of them being trafficked like you?
Da.
And how did you manage to escape?
Am rugat o fată de acolo, de la saună, unde lucram, dacă pot să-i dau niște bani să pot suna după telefonul ei acasă. Părinții mei au luat legătura cu poliția de aici, din România, și poliția din România a luat legătura cu cei din Anglia.
Where did the police find you? At the brothel or at the flat?
Eu esențial eram la magazin cu soția lui, după să facem cumpărături.
This guy had a wife?
Da. Când am găsit, esențial când am ajuns acolo, deja poliția era în casă.
Did they arrest the woman?
Yes. În ziua aia a luat-o și pe aia că m-a luat pe mine.
Okay. And what about the man?
Nu l-a prins nici acum.
Are you scared of retribution from this man?
Da.
Is that a constant worry for you? To think that somebody could manipulate that innocence like that, you know, to rape her, to beat her, then push her into a brothel, allow her to be beaten up again by the brothel owners, forced to have sex numerous occasions during the day to make money out of someone, hold them, you know, hostage. And for them actually to still be at liberty and probably doing it as I speak, I have to say, sickens me. How easy was it for you to go to Italy and then put your then girlfriend out on the streets as a prostitute?
Dar nu aveam nimic pentru ea. Nu era genul de fată să o iubesc.
And were you having sex with her when she was having sex with her clients?
Da.